Hello friends, welcome to part 99 of Laravel 12 multi e-commerce series. So we will start working on the orders management, and in this part we are going to show my orders and the order detail page. So in the last part we have seen that we able to place the order with COD, and in this part we are going to work on the order page and order detail page. Okay, so that the user can able to see his orders. So I'm going to place order once again to make sure that everything is working fine. So I'm going to first log in into the account, into the user account. I am having the account amit1234 at the rate of yopmail.com. I'm going to log in with this account. Okay, so I am already having one product in cart. I will go to the proceed to checkout. Then I can select this address and then can select the cash on delivery to place the order. Okay, so we have done COD so far. In the last part we have done COD, and now I'm going to place order, and you can see the thank you page has come up. Thank you, your order is confirmed. Okay, so now we can go in my account. In fact, I'm going to make the my orders page. Okay, and here also we have given the my orders. So here it is better if you will give the URL as my orders. Okay, so this is the first change that I'm going to do here straight away. Instead of my account, I am going to make it my orders. Okay. So this URL so far does not exist. Okay, so what we can do, I can remove this route for now, and I can simply give here the orders like we have given. Okay, I'm going to give it like this, and now it must work fine because it will not check for it. And here also we are given user orders. Okay, I'm going to give here the user orders for now. Later on we can update it to the route as well. Okay, so now we are going to create that orders page, and for that we are going to follow the instructions that you can find under video. So a few things we are going to make in this part. We are going to make the my orders page. We are going to make the order detail page. We are going to create the order controller as well as the order service under front this time, and we are going to create the orders folder in which we are going to create a few of the blade files for index blade file for the listing, for order listing, and the show blade file for the order detail. And we will also create the order and order item models. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to do in this part. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to create the order controller in under front. Okay, so I'm going to run the artisan command here. I'm going to open my project folder that is located in D drive, Zap, htdocs, and we'll go to the personal and then ecom 12. Okay, so here I'm going to run the git bash. You can open in terminal or command prompt. I'm going to run in the git bash. If you have git bash install, you can run there as well. Okay, I'm going to create here the order controller php artisan make controller, and we are going to create inside the front this time, and the name is the order controller, just to make sure that this one order controller, yes. Okay, so we are going to create this order controller. Okay, so you can see the order controller has been created. So I'm going to open this order controller. Okay, so first it is making the route. Okay, so here we have done this step. We have created the order controller, but first we are required to make the route for the orders page. Okay, let's create the route first of all, and we are going to add this order controller at the top. Okay, in on the front. Okay, so this one is under front, and this one is wrongly added here. We need to add it under front only like this. Okay, so now we will move further, and we are going to create these two routes under the auth group. Okay, not under clean but under front auth group. where we have the account. You see, this one is yours group. Okay. Before logout, we can create these two pages to two routes here. Okay, so now this one we have already created, and now we are going to update the order controller with these functions. Yeah, where's this one? This I'm going to align it. Okay, so now you can see that we have the construct function. We are going to create the order service that we have injected here in the order controller, and we have the index function for the order listing, and we have the show function for the order detail. But we have called the another function from the order service that will contain the actual logic of order listing and the order detail. Okay, so we are going to create the order service under front, app services front, app services front, and here we're going to create the order service. So in this order service, okay, so this order service contains the actual logic of order listing as well as the order detail. Okay, and returning to the order controller. So this is the order service. Okay, so we are going to create now the order item as well as the order model. We need to see under models. See here the order item and order model is already there, and we need to make sure to update them. Okay, there are few more functions that we are required to add in both the models. Okay, so in order item, we need to make sure that we have the order relation, that is the belong to relation. uh, See, every order item belongs to some order, and we must have the product relation. Okay, so every order item belongs to some product. Okay, so here get quantity attribute. Also, we need to make this function for this one. Okay, we need to check the quantity of the attribute. Okay, if there is no quantity, then we are going to assign the zero. Okay, and then get subtotal attribute. Okay, we need to find the total of that or subtotal of the particular stock. Okay, so all these functions we are required to modify here in the order item. Okay, so I want to update this complete order item here. I'm going to allow. So in the same way, we are going to update the order model as well, and order model will also have these few functions. Okay, and that we need to make sure that all these functions must be located in the order model. Okay, we're going to align it as well. So it must be having the items, address, shipping address, all these relations. Okay, get subtotal attributes, function, get shipping amount attribute, get uh, grand total attribute. Okay, all these functions as well. Okay, so now we are going to create here the orders folder in which we are going to create few of the blade files, resources, views, front, and here we are going to create the another folder that will be orders folder, and under orders folder we are going to create these two blade files, index blade file as well as the one more file that is the show blade file for showing the order detail. Index is for showing the order listing, and show is for showing the order detail. So I'm going to bring two of these files here in the Sublime. Okay, so here stuff all here in the index, this for the listing, order listing. Okay, and for showing the order detail. we must have this HTML. Okay, we must have this split file that will show the particular order detail. After clicking on any of the order, we can see the order detail of that order. Okay, so that is done. Now we are going to check here. We will go to the my orders, and here you can see the all the orders that we have placed so far. Okay, and both the orders having one item having the total rupees 900. So I'm going to click on view to see the order detail. Yes, the order detail we can able to see here. Here also coming the order details. Order number is 2. Here we are not required to give the 2 hash. We just required to give one of the hash here. Okay, so we can do it like this. Okay. Okay, so order number is 2, date is this much, and status, total, payment method, items. Okay, image is not there, so image is not coming. Item details is coming. That is the product name along with the quantity, price, shipping address, billing summary. Okay, so the complete order detail is coming here. So we able to show see the orders. These are the orders that are related to this particular user who placed these orders. Okay, and we can see these orders from here. I'm going to the home here. Okay, let's go to the home page. Okay, so now I'm going to check here, click on my orders, and from here we can able to see the orders. Okay, so it's the part of this my orders. Okay, so once again I'm going to place new order, and this time with the two of the items. I must want to see that there must be the two items must come there, and also from the thanks page we can go to the my orders page directly. Okay, so I am going to say this one is having the store. I will add to cart product already exists. Okay, I'm going to add this one as well. Now view cart to the items we have ordered. So proceed to checkout. Okay, so if I will not select the address, then it must ask us to select the address. You can see the please selected delivery address or add one before placing the order. So we are going to select this delivery address. Okay. And now see here the total this time 1890, and there are two products now, blue t-shirt with medium size and blue t-shirt with small size. I'm going to place the order. So order has been placed. You can see the thank you page. Now I will go the my orders from here. Okay, so I can go to the my orders from there from the thanks page as well. And this is the third order that is placed with the two items this time. Okay, status is pending, and we can see the order details after clicking on view button. And here you can see the two items are coming. Okay, we can also show here this size as well. Okay, here the size is, that's why I have placed the order with the two of the items. And in show here order date. Okay, after here order ID is here. We are going to open this one as well. Total, this is the order items, product name, image. After that this is product name. Okay, so what we can do, I can copy this one, this div. I can simply copy this one and add one more like this, and here we can give the size as well. Okay, so with the help of AI, I have resolved one issue, and actually the size and color were not coming, and now it's coming. I have asked the AI. You can also take the help from the AI. You can take help from the chat GPT or some other AI. I simply ask the AI one issue I found in Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series. After placing the COD order, I found size and color columns are empty in order underscore items table as shown below. Okay, I have just given him the code and he corrected our code, and there are two places he correct. Okay, so at this so we can also do that. See here in the create order from card, I'm going to align it as well. Okay, so here it corrected, actually the color and size was not there, and now we have inserted that. Here you can see the size. Okay, we are now inserting the size as well as the color and inserting in our table. Okay, and as well as one more thing that we have done, that is the order item model we have updated. Here you can see that the model does not have size as well as the color, and now we have added here the size as well as the color so that it get inserted in the order underscore items table. Okay, so now it's inserting, and I'm going to place the new order now. And one and few more things we have done, like we empty the car after the order placement, or after placing the COD order, we empty the car, and you can see that it's get empty after placing the order. And one more thing, that we have updated that URL, that route in thanks bit file. Here we have added a route now, user.orders.index, as this is the route name for this my orders. Okay, so now I'm going to place the another order just to verify that everything is working fine. So here I'm going to add this blue t-shirt once again, and I'm going to add small size as well as the medium size. Okay, so after adding these two sizes, I will go to the card page. Here these two sizes have been added. I will go to the proceed to checkout, and here I'm going to select the address, and now you can see the medium as well as the small size of blue t-shirt. I'm going to select the COD and we click on place order, and the order is confirmed. You can see the card is now empty because the order has been done. And now we will click on the my orders. See, we have reached my orders. This is the 8th ID. Few of the orders I have tested myself earlier after pausing the video, because I was resolving that issue. Okay, so now I can check the latest order with two of the items, and here you can see the size is also coming. Size is medium for this one and small for this one. And also now we can show the color as well. If you want to show the color, we can also show the color. Okay, so I will go to the show here once again, and now I can make one more div here, and here we can show the color as well. We can take color. Okay, so let's see if the color is now coming. Yes, color is now come as well. Okay, so here we can see the product name, size, color, as well as the quantity, along with the price, along with the total description and the delivery address. Okay, so I hope that you can make these changes at your end as well. And we are going to work on the 100th video, and after these 100 videos I will upload the code to the sidemakers.in. So don't forget to join as a member so that you can able to download the complete multi-vendor e-commerce code. Okay, Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce code. Here by going to the download, you can able to download the website code Laravel 12 multi-vendor, Laravel 11 10 advanced e-commerce series. So many series, many codes are available for you. There are too many e-commerce websites that are available for you. If you will join as a member, that will surely help you in your projects, surely help you in your studies, surely help you if you have joined somewhere as a Laravel developer. Okay, so you will get these code you will not get anywhere else. Okay, so you can always join as a member to get these code as well as the support. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.